Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to add a folder structure or directory structure which is present in your computer in your Treeview. So when I click this button, it gives me the folder which I want to show. So I have in my computer this html.css folder. So this folder I wanted to show in my Treeview. So I have created this program to show the directory structure of my folder in my Treeview. Okay, in this video I will show you how to open selected files. For example, you want to open this AVI file, or you want to open PNG file or any other file, whatever file which is present in your folder you will be able to open by this code which I am going to show you. So let's get started. First I will take a button and drag and drop here, and I will change its text from here. So I will name it as open selected file. Okay, so this I have done, and I will double click this, and in here I will write my code. So if you are following this video, in the last video I have shown you this code in which I am showing the directory structure, and I made this function called last list directory, and I'm passing my tree view name and the path of the file which I want to show. Okay, or the path of the folder which I wanted to show. So this path, what I will do is I will make a global variable. So you can make it at the top of your program wherever you want to make. I'm just making this at the top of my function so it will be visible. So just above this button action perform, where you called this function list directory, this is I have shown you in the last video. So just above that declare a string variable called path, and is equal to, just copy the path which you were passing inside this directory structure. Okay, and paste it here and close, and just copy this path variable and paste it here. Why I have done this? Because I wanted to make this path variable global, so I can use this path variable inside this selected open selected file button action perform also. So here also I should be able to access the selected path. That's why I have used this global variable. So this path will be global and it is seen by all the functions. So do that, and then I will delete this path, but I will use it. And in here what I will do is I will declare a string variable. So I will write string tree node name. So the variable name is tree node name is equal to my tree view name. So my tree view name is treeview1 dot selected node dot to string, and close this bracket and close this. So I have declared a string variable which will take the selected node name. Okay, so I have done this, Now I will declare one more variable, or in this variable also I can do that. So just after this toString you can write dot replace, and in here I will replace something. So first of all, before replacing this, I wanted to show what I want to replace. So I wanted to show get the Treeview name. So for example, I will write a message box to show it, dot show, and in here I will pass my this Treeview name which I declared. Okay, and when I run the program and when I show this directory structure, I select a file and I click this open selected file. It gives me tree node colon the name of my file, but I just want this file name only, the box model css.avi. I don't want this tree node colon in my code. So that's why I want to replace it with original name instead of this tree node. So what I will do here is I will delete this first. This is was just for showing you, and I will write here replace, and in the bracket I will pass that tree view. So write tree node like this, and then the semicolon also, colon also I wanted to replace, and then the space also. So tree node colon and one space, and what I want to replace it with, I want to replace it with empty string. So write string dot empty. Okay, so I have written this code. I have declared a string variable, and then is equal to treeview name dot selected node dot toString dot replace, and I'm replacing the node tree node colon and space with empty. Now what I will do is I will write system dot diagnostics dot process dot start, and inside this what I will do is I will pass my path variable which I have declared here, which takes the path of my folder. So copy this path variable and paste it here, and then write plus, and then give these two double quotes and write this slash sign. Okay, and after this slash sign I will pass the name of my file. So it will take the folder name, and after that it will give a slash, and then it will give the name of my file which I selected. Okay, so let's show it in the message box also. Message box dot show bracket and bracket closed, and I will just copy this all to show the path of the file I selected. And so I have written these 3 lines of code to open my file. So let's run the program, and first of all I will show the folder which I wanted to show. This is the folder. Now what I will do is I will take this file. For example, I want to show open this HTML part2 AVI. I will select it and I will click open. So first of all it shows me the path. It is the same path which I wanted to open, and I will click OK, and it opens the file. Okay, now for example I want to open some other file. for example this PNG file. I select it and click open. It shows me the message in the path and it opens the file. Okay, in this way you can open the selected file in your selected folder in the Treeview. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.